Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're going to show you how to install rubber flooring in a few easy steps. Rubber flooring is durable, easy to maintain, and perfect for various spaces like gyms, playrooms, and garages. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. First things first, gather all the tools and materials you'll need: rubber flooring tiles or rolls, utility knife, measuring tape, straight edge, chalk line, double-sided tape or adhesive, roller or... Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Next, prepare your subfloor. Make sure the surface is clean. Remove any debris, dust, or old flooring materials. Step 3. Measure and cut the flooring. Measure your space accurately to determine the amount of rubber flooring you need. Once you have your measurements, cut the rubber flooring to fit the area. Use a utility knife and a straight edge for precise cuts. Step 4. Lay out the flooring. Lay out the rubber flooring pieces in your space without applying adhesive yet. This will help you ensure everything fits properly and allows you to make any necessary adjustments. Step 5. Apply adhesive or tape. Once you're satisfied with the layout, it's time to apply the adhesive or double-sided tape. For adhesive, follow the manufacturer's instructions and apply it evenly on the subfloor. For tape, place it around the perimeter and across the center of each tile or roll. Step 6. Install and finish. Begin installing the rubber flooring pieces, starting from one corner and working your way out. And there you have it, 5 easy steps to install rubber flooring. Thank you for joining us on this DIY journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips from Fixing Expert. Until next time, happy fixing!